So you would like to know how to cut mosaic glass tiles? Well, you're in the right place. I'm Helen Miles and I'm here to teach you all the tips and tricks you need to start making mosaics. In order to cut mosaic glass tiles, you will need these Leponitt wheeled glass cutters and mosaic glass tiles. The tool is easily available at mosaic suppliers along with a range of these glass tiles. I'm going to talk about mosaic materials in a different video, but for now these are the commonest kind of glass tiles. You buy them in paper-backed or mesh-backed sheets, and they can be pretty inexpensive, starting at around £3 for a sheet of 225. These vitreous glass tiles measure 20mm by 20mm and 4mm deep, which is the same as the unglazed ceramic tiles, meaning that you can mix them in your mosaic work and still achieve a flat surface. Just like the unglazed ceramic tiles, many of these glass tiles have a ridged side and a smooth side. And although it doesn't matter which side you cut them, I tend to cut with the ridged side uppermost. However, there are other kinds of glass tiles which are smooth on both sides. To be on the safe side, you should wear safety glasses when you are cutting glass, and of course make sure you don't have food or drink nearby in case little shards fall in. To cut the tile, you hold it between your thumb and forefingers in one hand and hold the glass cutter in the other. When you're holding the glass cutter, make sure it is at a 90-degree angle from your body, and hold the tool towards the end of the handles around here, not further up near the blades, so not up here. Also, make sure that the wheels of the glass cutters, these two wheels here, are facing inwards towards your other hand, not facing outwards like this. To cut the glass, put it fully between the two blades. You see how the blades are completely over the tile. So I'm cutting this tile in two to create two rectangles. You press down lightly, and then I'm going to take it and cut it into half again to create squares. So vitreous glass is very easy to cut. You don't really have to apply much pressure at all. And then to make different shapes, for example a triangle, you just turn the tile at an angle and place the blade across, running diagonally, and again press down and create two triangles. I do hope that helps. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, then please subscribe below.